Close your eyes. Feel the energy from all the four sides. Breathe it in. Keep it in your stomach. Breathe it out. Find a situation, find an action, find who you are, and look for your will. Why do you say what you're saying? Okay, so create it as if a performance of a short play, poem, doesn't matter.
I want to, but I can't. Don't tell me I ought to. Don't tell me I should. You needn't tell me. I know. I want to, but I can't.
For the first time in my life, I finally feel comfortable in my own skin. I'm free to be myself and live my life however I want to. But I'm scared. I'm scared and paralyzed from the fear of regression. I want to, but I can't.
What to do? What to do? I feel so free when I'm flying with an idea, and yet now feel so weighted by the aches and cries outside. I want to help, but I don't know where to start. What to do?
Sunshine flows and means do anything. Do what I want. This time, this impatient time. And all three are opposites, and try to take it away. 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 If no closeness, then away.
Who am I?
Am I?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Am I?
Who am I?
Am I?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Who am I? Am I?
Who 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 am I?
I?
Who am I?
Who am I?
I'm with myself and I love her.
My own mediocrity!
I need a hug.
Manipulate me, Instagram.
Not enough.
Too much.
Not enough.
Not
Much.
enough.
Too much.
Not enough. Not enough.
Too much. Too
Not
much.
enough.
Not
Not
enough.
enough.
Too
Not
much. Too
enough.
much.
Not enough.
Too much. Too much. Too much.
Too much.
Much.
Infinite in all directions.
Me?
Me.
Loneliness. Emptiness. Expansiveness of time.
Manipulate me. Isolation.
It's okay. Begin here. Cracked, but I'll hold the flood. I'm not made for this. Breathe, breathe, pause. A transforming circle?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Manipulate me.
Isolation.
Isolation.